Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom, Elsa and Aurora were enjoying a peaceful day in the royal castle. Elsa, the Snow Queen, was busy creating delicate ice sculptures, while Aurora, the Sleeping Beauty, was arranging flowers in the ballroom. Suddenly, something strange happened. The roses in the castle's garden began to change. They were no longer soft, colorful petals, but sharp, cold ice thorns that hurt anyone who touched them. A mysterious, sparkling fairy appeared. She flew in from the shadows, her wings glowing like the moon. "The ice thorn curse has been placed on your castle," she said, her voice soft but serious. "Only you two can break it." Elsa and Aurora were surprised but determined. They knew they had to work together to save their home. The fairy handed them a map with strange symbols and gave them a cryptic warning. "Find the heart of the frost, where the thorns begin. Only then will the curse end." With the map in hand, Elsa and Aurora set off on their adventure. As they walked through the castle, they noticed more ice thorns everywhere, on the windows, the walls, and even the furniture. It was as if the curse was spreading with each passing moment. Elsa used her ice powers to protect them from the thorns, but they soon found themselves in the dark forest outside the castle. The trees were covered in frost, and the air was bitterly cold. "Look," Aurora pointed to a large, sparkling ice tree in the distance. It was glowing with an eerie light, and the thorns seemed to be coming from there. Elsa nodded. "We need to get there quickly." The two friends hurried to the tree, but the closer they got, the stronger the cold became. As they reached the tree, they found a beautiful, glowing crystal hidden in its center. The crystal was the source of the curse. Elsa reached out her hand to touch it, but the moment she did, a dark figure appeared in front of them. It was the Ice Sorceress, a powerful enemy who had cast the curse on the castle. She laughed coldly. "You think you can stop me? The curse is mine to control." But Elsa was not afraid. She focused all her ice magic on the crystal, and Aurora joined her, using the strength of her dreams and hope. Together, their powers clashed with the sorceress's dark magic, creating a brilliant burst of light. The Ice Sorceress screamed as the crystal shattered into 1,000 pieces, and the curse was lifted. The thorns vanished, and the roses returned to their soft, beautiful forms. Elsa and Aurora looked at each other, relieved and happy. "We did it," Elsa said, smiling. Aurora nodded. "Together, we can overcome anything." The kingdom was saved, and the two friends returned to the castle, where they were greeted with cheers and joy. From that day on, the roses bloomed brightly, and Elsa and Aurora knew that no curse could ever defeat their friendship. And so, the kingdom lived happily ever after, free from the ice thorn curse.